Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel Think Different. Today in this video we are going to see about nutrition in plants. We know about plants, but today we are going to see in this video about the nutrition that plant takes and the modes of nutrition and the photosynthesis, chlorophyll, stomata, three types of plants with their examples. So without delaying, let's go into the video. Before going into the video, subscribe our channel to get our notifications immediately. Okay, now let's go into the video. First, let us see what are the nutritions does plants take. First one is carbon dioxide, because without the carbon dioxide, the plants cannot prepare their own food. First main thing is carbon dioxide. Second one hydrogen. Third one nitrogen. Nitrogen is very essential for plants' growth. And third one oxygen. Fourth one phosphorus and potassium. Secondary nutrients are those usually needed in moderate amounts compared to the primary essential nutrients. The secondary nutrients are calcium, magnesium and sulfur. The main first nutrients are carbon dioxide, which used to prepare their own food by plants. Second one hydrogen. Third one is nitrogen, which is essential for plants' growth. Oxygen, phosphorus and potassium. These are first essential nutrients. Secondary essential nutrients are calcium, magnesium and sulfur. These are the nutrients essential for the plants. Now let's see the modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition are divided into two parts. One is autotrophic and another one is heterotrophic. Autotrophic is nothing but auto mean self, trophic mean nourishment. Nourishment mean nutrients. Autotrophic nutrients mean the organisms which prepare their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. As I told, auto means self, trophic means nourishment. Auto means self, which is they produce their own food. Trophic means nutrients. Now let's see the definition. An autotrophic is an organism that can produce its own food using light, water, carbon dioxide or other chemicals. Because autotrophs produce their own food, they are sometimes called producers. As I told, without the example of autotrophic nutrition is only plants which prepare their own food. Second mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic mean depending on other. Trophic mean nourishment, as I told before for autotrophic. Nourishment mean nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition mean the organisms that depend on food for other organisms is called heterotrophic organism. Heterotrophs are the organism that is not able to form their own food by conversion of inorganic substance and light energy into organic substance and are dependent on plants for their energy, and organisms except organism that has chlorophyll or heterotrophs. Example for heterotrophs are animals which depend on their plants. Even human beings also depend on other products for their food. This is called heterotrophs. Now we know the two modes of nutrition and the nutrition that plant takes. Now let's see what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nothing but the process by which green plants prepare their own food. Only the green plants can prepare their own food. The process is called photosynthesis by water, air, soil, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? I'll tell you about next one. This is the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis needed sunlight, soil, water, air and chlorophyll. These are the essential for process of photosynthesis. This is photosynthesis. Now let's see about chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is nothing but the green pigment or green substance present on the leaf is called chlorophyll, and it absorbs sunlight to prepare their own food for plants. As I told, in photosynthesis, the chlorophyll is very important process for making their own food. That only chlorophyll is very essential for making their own food by plants. And that is a green substance of green pigment present on the leaf. Next, let's see about stomata. Stomata is also an important part of plant which absorbs carbon dioxide to prepare food for plants, and it is present on the lower surface of the leaf, and it is called as tiny openings or pores that is present on the lower surface of leaf, and it is the main thing which absorbs carbon dioxide for preparing plants by their own food. Now we know what is chlorophyll, photosynthesis and stomata. Now let's see the three types of plants. Three types of plants are divided into three, which is parasitic plants, insectivorous plants and saprotrophs. Parasitic plants means the plants which does not contain chlorophyll and it depend food on other plants such as the hosts. Host matlab without contributing to the benefit of the host and some cases causing extreme damage to the host. Parasitic plants mean the plants that does not contain chlorophyll and depend for food on other plants. Example for parasitic I will tell after finishing two parts, which is insectivorous and saprotrophs. Second one is insectivorous. Insectivorous mean also called carnivorous because insectivorous plants feeds on insects. It catches insects and eat and get nutrition by themselves. Now we know what is insectivorous. Let's see third one, which is saprotrophs. Saprotrophs mean an organism that feeds on or derives nourishment from decaying organic matter. As I already told, nourishment is nothing but it is called nutrient. And saprotrophs mean an organism which depend on other dead decaying matter. This is called saprotrophs. Now let's see the examples of parasitic, insectivorous and the saprotrophs. Example for parasitic is the only main thing is Cascuta, next corpse flower, next tuberous stem sucker, dodder, dwarf mistletoe, and Australian Christmas tree is the only main thing for parasitic plant. And the example for insectivorous is pitcher plants, Venus flytrap, bladderwort, Drosera rafflesia. And the examples for saprotrophic plant is organisms would be fungi, mushrooms and bacteria. These are three types of plants with their examples. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, share, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.